A local school district is experiencing a whooping cough outbreak, and Public Health Dayton Montgomery County confirms 9 cases at Valley View local schools.
Now, experts say anyone can get whooping cough, but it can be especially dangerous for children. 2 News reporter Allison Gens has the advice from Public Health and what that district is doing now.
This year, we have seen an increase in the number of pertussis cases here in the Miami Valley.
Pertussis, most commonly known as whooping cough, is a highly contagious disease. It's usually spread by coughing or sneezing while in close contact with other people. Symptoms typically start out similar to a mild cold before progressing to a severe cough. Dan Cefaletto with Public Health Dayton and Montgomery County says many people don't even realize what it is right away.
They may not initially stay home or stay away from people immediately when they start feeling ill, and then that also can lead to a further spread of the disease.
There have been 43 cases of whooping cough in Montgomery County so far this year. 9 of those cases just reported in the Valley View School District. In a message sent out Tuesday, Valley View local schools notified parents of the outbreak. It states parents should keep an eye out for symptoms over the next 3 weeks and keep kids at home if a fever or cough develops.
If your children are sick at all, that's something you want to monitor and maintain, and then depending on the symptoms, take appropriate action.
Cefaletto says this outbreak is a good reminder for all parents to make sure your kids are up to date with their pertussis vaccinations, which are a requirement in Ohio schools.
You want to make sure you have everything done at the proper time so that you get as much protection as possible.
Allison Gens, 2 News.